You're supposed to keep in mind that no matter what way you are going to take short way or long way, if you are going to reduce your fraction to the very last stage, the simplest form, your answer is going to be always correct. Now let's take a look at these examples. I have 24 over 36. 24 and 36 are divisible by 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 36 divided by 12 is 3. That's why my answer is 2 over 3. Let me solve this problem in a different way, a little bit longer. I have 24 over 36. Please notice that 24 and 36, both of them are even numbers. So they're divisible by 2 for sure. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Again, I have even numbers. Both of them are divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay? Now, I got 6 and 9. Both of them are divisible by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. I got 2 over 3. And I got also 2 over 3. As you can see, no matter what way you are going to do, your answer has to be always the same. Now, let's take a look at another example. I have 60 over 36. Okay? 60 and 36 are divisible by 6. 60 divided by 6 is 10. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Take a look. We have even numbers, okay? I can divide them by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is equal 3. This is improper fraction. Improper fraction, most of the time I have to convert to the mixed number. Simply you have to check how many times 3 goes into 5. So 3 goes into 5 once. 1 times 3 gives me 3. Subtract 5 minus 3 is 2. So I got the answer 1 and 2 thirds. Remember, the top goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 1 and 2 thirds. Okay, this is the solution to this problem. Now let's take a look at this example. I have 48 and I have 96. 48 and 96 are divisible by 48. Okay, so I have 48 divided by 48 is equal 1, and 96 divided by 48 is 2. Okay, let me solve this problem one more time. I have 48 over 96. Okay, we are going to use a little bit longer way. 48 and 96, both of them are the examples of the even numbers. So both of them are divisible by 2. 48 divided by 2 is equal 24. 96 divided by 2 is 48. Okay, again we have even numbers, so I can divide them by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 48 divided by 2 is 24. Again, I have even numbers. I can reduce them by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Now you can see that we have 6 and we have 12. 6 is divisible by 6 and 12 is divisible also by 6. 12 divided by 6 and 6 divided by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1 and 12 divided by 6 is 2. This is the answer. As you can see, we get exactly the same answer. So as I said before, no matter what way you are going to choose, if you are going to reduce everything to the simplest form, your answer is supposed to be the same. Okay, so as you can see, everything whatever we did is kind of simple.